In this video, I am showing you how to download your Instagram Reels video. So firstly, open your Instagram app and then you have to go to your Reels sections. And let's say I go to the Reels section and then you have to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. And from this, you have to click on the copy link, third top option from the top. And when you copy the link, then you have to go back to your Chrome browser, and then here you have to search for the Reels downloader, Instagram Reels downloader, like this. And here you have to search this Instagram Reels video downloader, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the first link. Click on this, and now here you have to copy the link of the video that you want to download, and then you have to click on the download button. And now it take some times, and here you can see this is my video. And now click scroll down and then click on the download.mp4, and after this it start downloading. And now here you can see the file is start downloading. Now wait until it the installation process is completed, and when it is downloaded, then you can see it or you can open it, watch it. So that's it, how you can download the Instagram Reels video. You can put any of the video, copy the link and then paste here, and then you can tap up the download button and you can download it. So you can do this with any of the videos, Instagram Reels video that you want. Simply copy the link and then click on the download. So that's how you can do this. Have a good day. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.